Hi guys, awkward intro. Today we're playing more Roblox, and even more Roblox for the next video. Because lazy me cannot be bothered to charge my mom's iPad to record. Oh wow, I was so late. Okay, so yeah. I was picked up early from school and we're in my pajamas now. Just put my pajamas in the morning. They're just so comfortable. I just have to wear them. I'm so happy I got this job because I was like so tired because I woke up at freaking 4 o'clock. No, my guys. Okay, great. Okay, way too long intro. I'll just tell you what we're doing. My book. Top sponsor, by the way, but not gonna be sponsored. I don't know, but I have these 3 LPS. And wanna know why? Because we're doing a challenge. A very, very large challenge. Doing royale high outfits. Outfit. Except it's them inspired. It's them, so we're like going to practically copy them, but in like a fairy form. Which is kind of inspired. Why did I say inspired? Okay. Okay. I want to really start with cuddles because I was going to make this my last goal, but then I made this. So she deserves that really bad. I know I can just use like the older. I don't want to. Should her ears be her hair or her fur? I just feel like fur is more. Like, it makes more sense. I don't know. Oh, that's too dark. I don't know. Yeah, that's too dark. Let's just get the regular purple. That's for free. No Robux needed. Robux. Oh my god, my what? Say that. Okay. Should we do this? I don't want to get all purple, so let's give her. Although I don't like that, so I want to go down to the older clothing, down to the oldest clothing of this game. Doesn't mean I'm not talking about like the magic. I'm not talking about the magical. But what am I saying? I'm making no sense. I gotta feel like. Oh, gee, cover up yourself, doll. Oh, I like this better. What she look like? What she? Okay, so I want like her to have like nice ring. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna. I feel like she doesn't need it. Yeah, let's not give her a skirt or cause she's like a rebel, in my opinion. That's what her character is, you know. So that's my character. I just think the dude makeup here is so freaky. Okay, let me show you what's that. Oh my god! I just look. I don't know how people. This is like what is that? No. Oh my god! I can't even think today. Well, I never really can think. So what does she look like? Her smile. I mean, it does look happy, but I just feel like that fits her. But then again, okay. What about this? I mean, that kind of fits her, except the hair color just. Okay. Let's give her a natural look, you know? Just give her a little bit of makeup, maybe. It looks not too bad. Uh, nah. Yeah, let's use that. That looks nice because she is kind of a child, in my opinion. Okay, purple or pink one. But I don't want to waste my money because it's something I'm saving up for. Pink petals! Oh my god! You don't even have that. Dang it. Wait, I got it. We can use these chippy wings that I can have. Oh my god, that was so lucky. So here's the first one. Let's do the flamingo. Okay, so she. Ooh, just thinking of doing that. Peck. Actually, kind of. Eyeshadow. Let's actually do that. Yeah, I was planning on doing this, but like, I just thought it wasn't right done, so I re-recorded it. So yeah, redo it. Re-recorded is not even a word. Alright, pink. Everything's gonna have to be pink, and I hate pink. I hate pink so much. But I chose this LPS because I like the LPS because it just goes well with everything. But of course, it's not going to go well. Stop. Be very into the whole. Can I not get that thing? Grab that. Yes. Flipping potato cake. Yes. Okay, we're going to make this do that. It just fits well. And then we're going to do the whip. Actually, I don't know if I do it. But I do want, like, why is it fantastic colors? Well, oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, it's not too late. We're going to get it. This is what I was saving up for anyway. Oh my god, it actually looks so cute. But it's so tiny, I don't like it. But, yeah, it's still nice. So, here she is. Oh. Last one is my old mascot. Why is it cheap? I just felt like to give the koala an Christmas. Then this one is like the fashion. Oh, jeez. I actually like that. Wow, that's surprising for me. Let's start off with the wings. What makes her? The character is supposed to be this a person. I feel like this goes well with the character. So I don't know. I can't, oh, I mean, I wouldn't. Should we get this? Cause like she is like up to her head. I mean, she's always trying to get attention, everything, you know. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Get out, motherfucker! Well, motherfucker. Surprise, motherfucker! That was in the English. That's original content. Don't trust me. What? Okay. Purple. Yum, girl. Yum. So, small set. Wait, what? Whoa. Oh, oh. Oh, I thought that was actually like a stick. Oh my god. See, I thought, why did I think that? That was just okay. Let's give her some freckles. Look, she looks so cute. So if you actually like these, you can go ahead and use them. I'm gonna give her bubbly because she's like the fashion designer. She's like, girl, you ain't good looking. You gotta get on the guy. But really, I just want to say, yeah, okay. Let's do a bonus round. Bonus round. So you can say full. If you have time, 4 minutes because actually I don't think we can have a bonus outfit. So but guys, you know I love y'all. See you in the next one. I hate this time of the video because when we have to go, and I don't want to go. But you know I get this pizza after this. But after see ya in the next one. Little Rascals. Bruh. Don't know what the Little Rascals. Type it up, you. Bye.